Hello friends, welcome to the Plant Science Forum. Now in this video, we are going to discuss characteristics of growth rings, which include a study of sapwood and heartwood. The growth rings, or you can say annual rings, they are found in most of the trees and herbs. These indicate the growth layers of secondary xylem. They are concentric rings and they can be visualized in transverse section of the stem. These growth or annual rings, they are outcome of seasonal variable activity of vascular cambium, and these growth rings, they are used to determine the age of tree. In this image you can see a various layers which are present in the stem, and they are the concentric rings. You can see bark and the peridium and its various component. Now let's talk about the spring or early wood. During spring or summer season, vascular cambium becomes more active and produces large number of vessels with wide lumen. As it is the summer season, dry environment, plant needs more amount of water, so it has to it has to gain more amount of water from the soil, and for this more conduction is and the more lumen is required. So the wood which is formed in early stages or the spring is a wide lumen wood. Now this production of secondary wood is called as spring wood or early wood. In the image where you can see 1 to 3 label, there some of the white circle they represents the xylem element with the wide area. So this is the spring or early wood. Another type is the autumn or late wood. Now during the autumn or winter season, when the requirement of water is low as the temperature and external environment is somewhat favorable, the activity of vascular cambium is low and the less number of vessels with narrow lumen are produced, where whereas the tracheids and fibers are produced in large number, but vessels they are less number and they shows a narrow lumen. So such a secondary xylem is called as autumn or late wood. In this image you can see the various labels. Here this darker region, this region, this is nothing but the late wood, or you can say autumn wood, and this broad region where you can see a wide lumen, this is nothing but the spring or early wood. And both of these, early and late, they constitutes a one annual ring. Here you can see in the label itself. Now let's talk in comparison. In spring wood, this is the wood produced in early period of growth and it is also called as early wood, whereas autumn wood is produced in a late part of the growth season, so it is also called as late wood. Spring wood is less dense and consists of thin walled elements, while the autumn wood is denser and it consists of thick walled element. In the spring wood, vessels possesses large lumen, while in autumn wood, the vessels have smaller diameter, or you can say smaller lumen. The early and late wood appear in distinct concentric rings. It is called as annual rings. We have already seen this in one of the previous slides. So these two rings represents growth of 1 year, that is two successive season, and these two season constitutes 1 year. So they are called as growth rings. So these rings also reveals the feasible year for the tree growth. Just looking at the TS and transfer section of the rings, you can observe which year the plant has shown the feasible growth and which was the adverse condition for the plants to grow. Actually, annual rings do not give exact age, but because of interruption of dry seasons during the growing period. But still, these growth rings can be used for knowing the somewhat age of the plant. Now let's see the hardwood and sapwood. It is found in most of the woody plants, with few exception of some deciduous trees. In the transverse section of stem, you might have seen such type of distinction in the wood, where the inner part is the dark in color and the outer part is somewhat lighter in color. The inner dark is known as heartwood and the outer light colored part is known as sapwood. The heartwood is also known as duramen. It is the inner non-living central dark color part. The main function of this part is to support the tree or mechanical support. It develops early stages of growth and it gets filled with secondary metabolites, tannins, gum, resin, and it becomes hard and durable. This part, that is hardwood or duramen, it is more resistance and useful as a timber. The second is the sapwood, or you can say albumen. It is a outer light colored and young region of the tree. It contains recently formed xylem because of activity of vascular ganglion and some of the living cells. The main function is to conduct water, mineral salts, and in some part it may store food also. Eventually, with the growing season, the sapwood or albumen, it get converted into heartwood, and again new layers of sapwood is continually forming. So this is all about the growth rings, sapwood and heartwood. I hope you understood the topic. If you have any question, please feel free to ask. Thank you.